Hey everyone, outdoor decorations can be hard. Make them easier with magnets. Our XL tack magnets are great for holding banners like this. The shape of the tack makes the loop really easy to use. The tacks are also easy to move if you need to. Removing the sign is just as easy as putting it up. A strong mounting magnet in each corner will hold this banner great. The epoxy coating on this mounting magnet will help protect it from the weather. We used small plastic-coated magnets to support the banner in the middle. Another small plastic mounting magnet will help prevent it from waving a little too much. A mounting magnet can be used with a steel washer for non-magnetic materials. Here we're using the steel washer with the mounting magnets on a piece of aluminum. Countersunk rings can be added to decorations to mount them to any steel surface. With the right magnets, they'll stick anywhere you can put them, and I mean anywhere. Small adhesive magnets can be great for small, quick decorations. For these small pumpkins, we used different size adhesive magnets to put them anywhere we wanted. You can hang big, heavy objects with magnets too. We used 4 large mounting magnets to hang this TV on this steel door. We used 4 smaller mounting magnets to hang this small monitor to the same door. Thanks for watching.